Okay, so to remove the barrel, we just need to, I pull this one first and then try to unthread the pull ring so that it's not on the way, and then push it all the way down so we can move the blade. I try to use this utility blades because they're pointy and they're easy. They make it easier, and we just need to look for on the circlip, like where it starts. On this one, it's right here, so we just need to catch it, pull it out, once you get it out, you can just take the whole thing out, take it apart, and then just like 2 threads and pull the whole barrel. So this is the part that we need to replace. So once you take this one out, we have to replace it with a new one.